bleach in silence. I walk slow. The saw is heavy, but I am light. This is not madness. This is style. On the floor, white as snow, I arrange the scene, perfect control, marble walls, the air is tight, my shadow dances in neon light. Footsteps echo, metronome beat, high heels stumble, elevator yawns, the exit sign glows. She runs in circles, but order still flows. Every fiber, every thread, catalog, perfectly inside my head. I am accurate. Perfection is a straight line in the dark. Watch. Top floor waiting, gravity bends, the world holds still, the silence extends, my hand is calm, the arc is clear, timing is everything. This is perfection. I have to return some videotapes.